Hajira Z. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Shri Vivekananda School, Hanur. Good morning to all my respected teacher, parents and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. I am feeling so proud to be an Indian citizen. I have such great chance to give a speech on Independence Day in front of you all. I would like to say thanks to my respected class teacher. He has given me an opportunity to share my views with you all about the freedom of India. Today on 15th August 2021, India has celebrating its 75th Independence Day, and we are proud to say we are earned our freedom 75th year back, which was by an act passed by the British Parliament, and we were the first to get our independence through the act, which was the mark of respect. Schools, colleges, education institutes, government and private organizations arrange different cultural programs to make the day memorable. Our main motive for the day is to remember the significant contribution our freedom fighter who sacrificed everything for us to make our country an independent nation. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got the independence from the British rule. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. They are not with us anymore, but their ideas remain all around us in our constitutional framework as well as our lives. We are fortunate that we are born in independent country, and that's why we have our own fundamental right. We can now speak against the evil without any fear. Our independence is priceless. We must respect it. We must also respect the soldier fighting on borders to protect our nation. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation is our future. For the country with youth, talent and efforts toward the country India succeed more in the future, we need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our country together is unity. We can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.